again. Thank you very much. And serious injuries, well, we all know they can happen in seconds, but recovery can take months, sometimes years. And having the right team to make sure that you get back to your normal day-to-day is key. So today, we're joined by a surgeon from the Lee Health Trauma Center explaining the life-saving role they play after a major injury happens. Thank you so much for joining us, Dr. James Kasevich. I'm saying that
correct,
right,
yes,
right?
yes.
And you're a trauma surgeon at Gulf Coast Medical Center.
Correct.
Awesome. So you want to tell me a little bit about, the work you do every day? I know that the trauma center that we have here in Fort Myers is the only one between Sarasota and Miami. So you see a lot of folks coming in.
Yeah, that's right. We're a level 2 trauma center. We're the only state verified center, as you mentioned. And what that means is we're capable of taking care of the sickest patients, patients that are in serious car accidents, motorcycle crashes, falls, and we also have a fair amount of penetrating trauma, meaning gunshot wounds, stab wounds, etc.
So, James, I know that given how much our area has grown, that just means you guys have seen more folks coming in needing help from your trauma center.
Yeah.
You want to tell me a little bit about how much this area has grown and the kinds of injuries people have gotten, since, I believe it was 1994 you guys opened, right?
Yeah, we've had, I think, over 58,000 patients that we've treated in the trauma center. And each year it seems like it goes up, and I've been here 12 years, and in that time it's grown dramatically. Just the population growth and in the 5-county area.
We hear so often, or we watch on television, a lot of dramatized shows depicting what, emergency surgery looks like or trauma surgery looks like. A lot of times that's not as accurate as it is in reality, right?
No, my heart rate might be going 140, but I'm trying to be as calm, cool, collective as possible. And we try to be very coordinated in our care. We are very systematic when taking care of patients from the time they arrive, with EMS giving a nice report, to keeping the trauma bay as quiet as possible, and just systematically going through the patient's injuries and trying to figure out what's going on with the patient and getting them to the right place, whether it's the CT scan or the operating room or the ICU, whatever it is.
You got to have a steady hand to do that, right?
Yeah, steady. Yeah, it's definitely cool, calm, and collective, as I mentioned. I try to be the calmest person in the room because that brings the temperature of the room down.
Absolutely. And, another thing that I wanted to ask about, is the time is of the essence, especially when it comes to trauma surgery. I mean, a lot of times when you get someone who's coming in the door, they could be just minutes away from death, basically.
Yeah, timeliness of care is the key. We talk about the golden hour. The golden hour is a trauma term that means get the patient there as quick as possible. And we're lucky in Southwest Florida to have Gulf Coast Medical Center because we are a trauma center where we have the right infrastructure in place, we have the right processes, and hopefully we have really good outcomes.
It's hard to imagine, being such a huge distance away from the nearest trauma center. And you guys cover a lot of the inland counties that we have, Charlotte, Hendry, Glades. Can you tell me, what it generally looks like if someone has a traumatic accident or injury out in the middle of nowhere? How are they getting to you as fast as possible?
So there's a multitude of ways, but if we have a helicopter available, there's a helicopter system, an air system. Again, the key is get the patient to us as soon as possible. If you get them to us, they're in the right place, and we'll have good outcomes if we follow all our processes.
Doing your best to save lives.
Yes.
James, thank you so much for joining us here. And if you want to learn more about how Lee Health is going above and beyond to keep you and your family healthy in their time of need, we'll have more information about Lee Health. That's going to be on the Gulf Coast News app. We're going to toss the break. We'll be right back.